Good morning, I'm Barry Sadowski, and it's Tuesday, January 5th. With senatorial runoffs in Georgia today, stocks and the dollar are still shocked by yesterday's recording of President Trump's attempt to hijack elections. The Russell lost 1.5%, with the Dow, S&P and Nasdaq closed behind, while the dollar overnight completed a double top. The bullish engulfing pattern at the edge could be a sign for a trend reversal, so we should watch out. While manufacturing seems to have improved in December a tad, construction in November saw less than 1% growth. That's about half of October. Still, that's putting it at a record high of $1.5 trillion US. If we look at Chicago's VIX index, we can see it hitting 2732, which is a week-long high after an impressive jump that's created new support at 26 for now. Just notice the MACD about to cross below its signal. Still ahead, the ISM's manufacturing PMI at 3 p.m. European equities held on to their momentum yesterday, led by the FTSE's continued 172% surge. The pound lost about 150 pips, landing at support near 135.50 as the UK enters a severe third lockdown. Overnight, the currency recovered about a third of its loss and then lost it again. Failing to cross above the moving average, we could be seeing a trend reversal. The euro this morning is showing a possible break above a triangle thanks to Germany's 1.9% month-on-month increase in retail sales. That's beating expectations of a 2% contraction. Unemployment there remains steady at 6.1. Equities continued north in Asia, led by New Zealand's Dow at 2.76%. Only Australia and Japan saw some downside as the yen gains on US instability. The yuan jumped for glee before returning to ground overnight as the central bank adjusted its rate upwards at 647.60 to the dollar. We'll be looking at numbers again at midnight for Japan's services PMI and China's Caixin manufacturing data an hour later. Oil yesterday zigzagged all the way up to just off $50 a barrel of WTI before plunging to 47.18 as the OPEC Plus group failed to agree on lowering output quotas. Tonight we'll be awaiting the API numbers at 9:30 p.m. GMT for a repeat, hopefully, of last week's 4.8 million barrel drawdown. We seem to be moving back towards a bearish moving average and oversold. All that's really needed is to break above that pesky resistance line at 47.87. The New York Stock Exchange yesterday decided not to delist China Telecom, Mobile and Unicom, sending their shares back up to recoup yesterday's losses. There's been no comment from the exchange. And Alibaba is closing its music streaming service amidst the 2-month-long disappearance of founder Jack Ma. Finally, Fiat Chrysler and Peugeot shareholders have approved the $52 billion merger between the two groups. The new company will be named Stellantis. It'll be the 4th largest auto manufacturer in the world. That's it for today. We'll be back tomorrow with another